inferior vena cava. It's not supposed to do that.
It's not supposed to be split.
No, not at all.
Then the renal.
The renal ones, like right here.
Okay.
The renal. The gonadal, you're not going to be able to see.
You can, yeah, you can see.
You can see that?
Yeah.
This would be our gonadal vein.
Uh-huh.
Your iliolumbar is right down here.
Okay.
That's all you really have to inside here. Then you get down to like the smaller parts inside his legs, which we don't have cut away.
Okay.
Oh, wait, yeah, we do.
What are you guys doing?
Say your renal ones right here. And you just flip it over.
Because our
See
cat
this
sucks.
right there?
Yeah.
Your gonadal one, it didn't die on ours, but you can see how it's separate from the other blood vessel. You have your iliolumbar ones down here.
What are the other ones? Do we have like a couple other ones that we need?
Well, your only other for veins? No, because
okay.
everything else is a part of the
Artery.
hepatic system.
You want to do the artery?
Arteries? Okay, up here, this one is your celiac artery. Can you turn that over for me? Celiac artery. Your superior mesenteric.
Oh, that's another video I took. Oh, cool.
No. Your celiac. Your celiac artery is right up here. And then it's your superior mesenteric. Way to the difference is you see this one's kind of gone off. How we go over to this area with the intestines. And you go down, you have to turn it over the kidney. You got your renal artery. And then you go a little bit further down. You got your gonadal artery. Right there. Your inferior mesenteric. Then no one half the arteries on. No, this is your inferior mesenteric right down here. And your iliolumbar arteries.
Come to the end of the table again, please.